Hi guys, I'm back. It's Mick. I'm back with another unboxing. I actually have two packages from two different people and two different platforms. So we're gonna get into that here in a second. So if you're interested in my unboxing from two different platforms, please just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the one I had mentioned in my previous video. And I also got the, value pack. Everybody gets those. I just throw them away. Okay, so first is this one, and it is from Miss Lindey Glenn. It is, I had mentioned in my previous video, I was waiting for this sweater with like kiss sweater or lip sweater or something. Yeah, so I got it, and it literally came the next day. But just so you know, it is, I don't want to show her address or anything like that, but I don't know if you can see, it says Lindey Glenn right there. So we're going to open this one first. This one is from the platform Poshmark, okay? So, which I love, and I've been on there for a little while now, so I'm comfortable there anyways. And I bought from her before, so yeah. Okay, so she always makes sure everything is secure, which is awesome. Let's see, what do we got here? Well, I know what it is actually, but I'm excited. I hope this thing really fits me because I really thought it was cute. So I'm gonna open it. Maybe. Man, it's sticky. Okay. Ooh, okay. So, whatever it is in, well, I know, but the sweater is in plastic. See? And that's all I got. That's all I ordered was the sweater. Ooh, this is looking fancy. The whole plastic thing going on. Okay. So, let's open this. Move that out of my way. Okay. Here it is. Isn't that cute on a sweater? Okay, so let's open it. It's just a cute little, see the back is black. I don't know, it's just simple and I just thought it was cute. And I think this will fit me. I think it's really cute. I like it. I don't even remember what size I ordered. But anyways, I like it. I do a lot. It's really soft on the inside. Like you can even see. See how it's got that real soft. So don't wash it with towels. Like my mom. Yeah. So I like it. I'm excited. And it smells brand new. It just came out of the package. It's probably never been out of the package before. Okay. So the next one is from the platform Mercari. Now, I've never bought anything there. I just started my site. I got maybe 7 things on there to sell. I haven't sold anything yet. I have lots of likes. I'm kind of nervous. I've been watching videos. And there's a lot of horror stories, so I'm kind of nervous. But I thought I would, see how things go before I just chalk it off. So, I ordered something, and these are supposed to be Lululemon leggings, okay? Or Lululemon. Lululemon. Never ordered anything from there before, and I've never sold anything yet. I just opened it maybe a week. I might have mine on there a week. I don't know. I don't even know if, do you share things like Poshmark? I don't know. I'm still learning. But I have a few things on there. Anyways, so this is from, it says Alan Smith. I don't know what it goes on. I should have it. I wish I had everything. Why didn't I pull it up so I could tell you? Anyways, it's in an envelope. Got some kind of purple stuff here, which I think it might be part of the envelope. Is that where I open it? Let's see. Okay. Oh no, that's where he put my address label. I never seen him with that though. Must be something else. Okay. So we are going to open this with some scissors. Okay, and that's all. It was just these. Yeah, is this? They're brand new. Nice little design. Oh, and they got the pocket. It said these, I don't know what they smell like. This doesn't say Lululemon in here though. I don't really know how, if they have like different names like some people do. This says Avia or Avi. I don't know what that is. Yeah. And I remember seeing this little thing on the picture and I thought that was the little symbol. So maybe this is a knockoff and they lied. I don't really know. I'm going to look into it. And I'll probably just come on and let you know what I learned. Or maybe you'll know. But this is cool though. The little, I like them. This was my free item anyway. So it ain't even like I can complain. But I'm just trying to see how, like, because I hear about a lot of trust issues on that platform, so that's why I'm like being some kind of way. But I like the pockets for the phones because that's one thing that's like, yeah. So, but otherwise, I mean, they're like capris, they're not all the way, and these are like neat. Oh, okay, so you got the pockets and then these squares, and then in between these squares is like netting. See, you can see through that a little bit. Down the leg is the line there. That one, and you can kind of, they smell so something. I don't know if it's the person. I don't know what that's. I don't think I like it. I'm sorry. It's not even like they don't stink. It's maybe the detergent they use or something is I don't really care for, but they really seem like good material though. So I wonder if this is part of their stuff. I'm gonna look into it and I will come back and let you know, and like here in a minute really by the time you're watching this. But yeah, I'm gonna have to wash those, but I want to try them on also and see how they fit, because I've never wore Lululemon, if that's what they are. I've never had those. I don't know why. I just haven't. I fell in love with the whole Lularoe, whatever, and I have like, I've had lots of those, been through lots of them, bought them for people, the whole nine. That's where I went. I didn't do so I don't know. But anyways, those were the two packages I wanted to open and get on here for you guys so that I could rate the sellers. I'm going to look into the leggings before I rate him, because I just want to see, you know, yeah, because I'm going to be honest. If things are good, I love to, like, I always give 5 stars. I always leave a love note, or, you know, something nice. We loved it, something, or on eBay, I like to leave, you know, positive everything. I try to do, oh, sorry, my cat. I'm like totally ignoring her because I'm used to it. This is my baby. This is Ivy. She follows me around. She sleeps with me. I think she thinks I'm her mother. Like, no joke. Huh. Anyways. Oh, I always try to leave, she's saying hi. I always try to leave good things. For one, I'm a seller, so I know how much somebody's going to appreciate it. For two, I don't know, why not make somebody feel good? Instead of just being like, yeah, it was good, and you loved it, or whatever, you really, just be like, just make them feel good about it. So that's kind of what I just want to make people happy about it. If you made me happy, and you gave me whatever, and it was all good, and gravy and mashed potatoes on top, then I'm going to say that. Man, I'm rambling. Anyways, here in like 2 seconds, you'll have some more information on the leggings, okay? Okay guys, just real quick, I want to say that I did look into the leggings, and they said Lululemon to like get your attention, and then when you go in there, the brand said the Avia, or however you say it. It's like a type that I guess is comparable to the Lululemon. I know it's Lululemon. I don't know why I keep saying Lululemon. But anyways, they say it's comparable and like just as good. So hopefully, you know. Bye guys.